Okay, x of z will be equal to summation n equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n into z power minus n. So in the place of because of this arrow mark they mentioned in the question itself, we have to consider this will be the x of 0 value. So x of 0 will be equal to 2, and next one,
X
this
of
is
1.
x of 1 will be equal to minus 1, then x of 3 will be equal to 2 will be equal to 3, then x of 3 will be equal to 2, x of 4 will be equal to 0, x of 5 will be equal to 1. So by this notation you can identify your limit will be ranges from 0 to 5. So write the expression x of z will be equal to summation n equal to 0 to 5 x of n into z power minus n. Okay, wow. So now you can expand your expression as x of 0. Here if you substitute 0, anything power 0 will give you 1. So obviously this term will be equal to 1. So write the next x of 1 into z power minus 1 plus x of 2 into z power minus 2 plus x of 3 into z power minus 3 plus x of 4 into z power minus 4 plus x of 5 into z power minus 5. So in the place of x of 0, substitute the value. X of 0 will be equal to 2 plus x of 1 will be minus 1. So here it will become minus 1 into z power minus n minus n. Then x of 2. X of 2 will be equal to 3. So 3 into x power minus 2 plus x of 3 value will be 2. 2 into x power minus 3. Next is 0. So 0 into this value will become 0. So this whole term will get neglected. So next x of 5. X of 5 1. So 1 into z power minus 5. This is your x of z. This is the Fourier transform for the corresponding value. Okay va? யாராவது இந்த கிளாஸ் ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுங்களா? இல்ல ரெக்கார்ட்ல இருக்கா?
ரெக்கார்ட்ல தான் மேம் இருக்கு.
ஓகேப்பா. So this one clear, right? So they mention arrow mark. So by using that you can find out your z transform. Okay, next problem. The same way x of n x of n will be equal to 3 comma 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 4 comma 1, and they mention arrow mark here. Okay, if they mention arrow mark means this one will be implies x of 0. So x of 0 க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன வேல்யூ வரும் அப்பனா?
X of minus 1.
X of correct. So x of minus 1, x of minus 2, x of minus 3, and x of minus 4. Okay va? So like this you have to expand your expression. So first write x of 0 will be equal to 1, x of minus 1 will be equal to minus 4, x of minus 2 will be equal to minus 1, x of minus 3 will be equal to 2, x of minus 4 will be equal to 3. Okay va? So next write your formula. X of z will be equal to summation n equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n into z power minus n. So here you know your signal will be ranges from minus 4 to 0. So negative value should come lower limit. So n equal to minus 4 to 0. x of n into z power minus n. So in the place of n, you have to substitute minus 4. So x of minus 4 into z power 4. Here already one minus is there. Minus into minus will become plus. So z power 4 plus x of minus 3 into z power 3 plus x of minus 2 into z power 2 plus x of minus 1 into z power 1 plus x of 0 into z power 0. Z power 0 value will become 1. Next, substitute the value. In the place of x of minus 4, substitute 3. 3 into z power 4 plus 2 into z power 3. Then x of minus 2 value will be minus 1 now. So substitute minus 1 into z square. Next, minus x of minus 1 value will be minus 4. So minus 4 into z, then 0 plus 1. Okay, this is your x of z. Okay, clear? So எங்க arrow mark mention பண்ணிருக்கோ அதுக்கேத்த மாதிரி நீ formula வந்து change limit value change பண்ணிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? So in previous problem இங்க வந்து சேஞ்ச் arrow mark வந்து இந்த இடத்துல மென்ஷன் ஆயிருந்தது. ஸோ ரைட் சைடு எல்லாமே நீ வேல்யூ எடுத்துக்கணும். ஸோ ரைட் சைடு ஆக்சஸ் எடுக்கும் போது எல்லாமே பாசிட்டிவ் வேல்யூவா இருக்கும். எக்ஸ் ஆஃப் 1, எக்ஸ் ஆஃப் 2, எக்ஸ் ஆஃப் 3. ஓகேவா? திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சீக்வன்ஸ். ஓகேவா? ஸோ arrow mark ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் சீக்வன்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா ஸோ ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு மூவ் பண்றியா? ஸோ திஸ் வில் பி கால் இட் அஸ் ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சீக்வன்ஸ். ஸோ ஹியர் arrow mark mentioned at the last. So you should take the axis at the left hand side. So x of 1, x of 2, x of minus 1, x of minus 2. Like that you have to consider the x value. And this is called it as left hand sequence. Okay, ma? Next we will see one more problem. Two-sided sequence. Okay. X of n will be equal to summation 1, 2, 0, minus 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5. Okay, here arrow mark they mentioned at the x of 3. Okay, ma? So x of 3 la mention பண்ணிருந்தாங்கன்னா this is the value for x of 0. So x of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So signal starts at x of minus 4. Minus 4 value will be 1. X of minus 3 value will be 2. X of minus 2 will be 0. X of minus 1 will be minus 4. And x of 0 will be 3. Then x of 1. Okay, 0 kapra again you should take 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, x of 1 will be equal to 2. X of 2 will be equal to 2 value will be 1.
1.
X of 3 value will be 6. And x of 4 value will be 5. Okay, and write your formula. X of z will be equal to summation n equal to minus infinity to infinity x of n into z power minus n. Okay, va? So what is the limit value here? Limit value என்னது இங்க? X of z will be equal to negative value எங்க இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது? Negative value started at minus 4, right? So n equal to minus 4 and it will be ends at 4.
Yes.
Then x of n into z power minus n. So now you can expand your expression. Minus 4 into z power minus into minus will become plus. So you will get z power 4 plus x of minus 3 into z power 3 plus x of minus 2 into z power 2 plus x of minus 1 into z power 1 plus x of 0 plus x of 1 into z power minus 1 plus x of 2 into z power minus 2 plus x of 3 into z power minus 3 plus x of 4 into z power minus 4. Okay, va? Then substitute the value. X of minus 4. So in the place of x of minus 4, you have to substitute the value 1. So 1 into z power 4 will give you z power 4. This is your x of z will be equal to z power 4. Here x of minus 3. In the place of x of minus 3, you have to substitute the value 2. So 2 into z power 3. Then x of minus 2 value will be 0. So whole term will be 0. So neglect this term. So next term, x of minus 1 value will be minus 4 into z power 1. Next, x of 0. X of 0 value 3. Then x of 1 value will be 2. So 2 into z power minus 1. Then x of 2 value will be 1. 1 into z power minus 2 plus x of 3 value 6 into z power minus 3 plus 5 into z power minus 4. Okay. This is your x of z. Okay. This is two-sided sequence because here you have both the positive value and negative value, right? So this is called it as both side sequence. And this is the, so left hand side you have to all the negative values. So signal starts at here and your signal will be moves to the left side. So this will be the left hand sequence. Okay. And this will be the right hand sequence. Okay. Up to this clear, Amma? Any
Yes, ma'am.
doubts? Okay. This is your Z transform. Okay, ma? They will give you one signal value like this. Okay, signal value kudupanga. Adikku you have to find out the Z transform. At last you have to find out the ROC. Otherwise, they will give you values like this and you have to find out the Z transform. Now, one way they will represent arrow mark. Otherwise, if they didn't mention any arrow mark means what you will consider? See, இப்படி இருக்கு question. So x of n will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 2. Like this only they will give you sequence. They didn't mention arrow mark means you should consider arrow mark கொடுத்திருந்தா arrow mark ல consider பண்ணு. If they didn't mention any arrow mark means you should consider the first value will be equal to x of 0. Okay. So arrow mark கொடுத்திருந்தா arrow mark கொடுத்திருக்க value x of 0. Arrow mark கொடுக்கலனா first value தான் x of 0. Okay. So x of 0 value will be 1. X of 1 will be equal to 2. X of 2 will be equal to 3. X of 3 will be equal to 2. So x of z will be equal to summation. Limit value சொல்ல. Limit எங்க வரும் move ஆகும்? 0 to 3. Okay வா? So x of n into z power minus n. So x of 0 plus x of 1 into z power minus 1 plus x of 2 into z power minus 2 plus x of 3 into z power minus 3. So x of 0 value another 1. 1 plus 2 into z power minus 1 plus 3 into z power minus 2 plus 2 into z power minus 3. Okay. If they mention arrow mark, you should consider that value is x of 0. If they didn't mention arrow mark, the first value will be the x of 0 value. Okay, clear? Huh? This is a Z transform. My fourth unit will be very, very easy. Okay, va? எடுக்க அதை படிச்சிடு. So next we will see inverse Z transform. Okay, va? So in inverse Z transform, you have 4 methods to find out the inverse Z transform. First one will be the long division method. So next one will be the partial fraction method. Next one, residue method. Last one will be the convolution method. Okay, va? You have 4 methods in to find out the inverse Z transform. Note down these methods, okay? So now we will see the long division method. Okay, we will see long division method now. So they will ask question like this, okay? Find the inverse Z transform by using long division method. X of Z will be equal to 1 plus 2 into Z inverse divided by 1 minus 2 into Z inverse plus Z power minus 2. And along with this, they will give you one condition. X of n is casual. And second division will be X of n is non-casual. Okay, sometimes they may ask question like this. Okay, to find out the inverse, they ask to find out inverse Z transform by using long division method. Na division பண்ணி நீ find out பண்ணணும். And along with this, if they mention the condition like this, X of n வந்து casual இருக்குன்னு ஒரு subdivision கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. இன்னொரு subdivisionல they mention X of n is a non-casual. Okay, if they mention like this, you have to solve in 2 different methods. Okay, long division ரெண்டு மெத்தட்ல solve பண்ணணும். I'll tell you how to solve. Okay. So first we will consider signal will be a casual signal. So normally for this you have to find out the division. So division எடுக்கணும்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Numerator value you should consider inside your okay, this will be the divisor and this one will be the dividend. So 1 minus 2 Z inverse plus Z power minus 2. Okay. So normal division you have to solve with respective of Z. Okay, normal division solve பண்றதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? First we will concentrate to eliminate the first term. So same way. So first term I want to solve. So you should consider 1 into this value. 1 into this value will give you the same value. So 1 minus 2 Z inverse plus Z power minus 2. So next you should change your signs. Divide பண்ணும்போது இப்படி தானே பண்ணுவோம். Multiply பண்ணி value போட்டுட்டு you will change the sign. So here plus sign will be changes to minus, minus will be changed to plus. Okay, then cancel. Whatever possible value you have to cancel that value. Okay. So here plus 1 plus 2 into Z inverse. Okay. So 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. You will get the remaining term. Here plus so 4 into Z power minus 1. Okay, இந்த Z value நீ change பண்ணவே கூடாது. எதுமே அங்க perform பண்ணாத. அங்க என்ன இருக்கோ அது அப்படியே கீழ வச்சு இந்த constant term alone you have to add. Okay, 2 plus 2 will give you 4. 4 into Z inverse and here you have minus Z power minus 2. Okay, next. So I want to cancel this term. So in the value we cancel பண்ணனும்னா here you have 1. So 1 into this value you will get the same equation. So plus Z power minus 1. So 4 into z power minus 1 கூட இதை multiply பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? 4 into z power minus 1, then 4 into minus 2 will give you minus 8 into z power minus 1 into z power minus 1 will give you z power minus 2. So z power minus 2. Next to this one. Plus 4 into z power minus 3. Next, again change the sign. Plus to minus, minus to plus. Again here, plus to minus. This term and this term will get cancelled. Here minus 1 plus 8. So you will get 7 z power minus 2 minus 4 into z power minus 3. Okay, va? Next, I want to cancel this 7. Okay, then இங்க 1 கூட இந்த 7 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா அதே ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்துருமா? So plus 7 z power minus 2. So 1 into this value. So 7 into z power minus 2. Then 7 into minus 2 will give you minus 14. Z power minus 2 into z power minus 1 will give you z power minus 3. Then z in 7 into z power minus 2 into this value will give you 7 into z power minus 4. Okay, then change the sign. Plus to minus, minus to plus, plus to minus. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled. Okay, here minus 1 plus 14. So you will get 10 power z, 10 into z power minus 3 minus 7 into z power minus 4. Okay, next is this term. So you have to write 10 power minus 3. So 10 power minus 3 into this. 10 power minus 3 minus 10 into this value will give you minus 20 z power minus 4. Then 10 into this value. Okay, 10 into this will give you plus 10 into z power minus 5. So then change the sign. Plus to minus, minus to plus, plus to minus. 10, 10 will get cancelled. Here minus 7 plus 20. 20 minus 7 will give you 13 z power 4 minus 10 z power 5. Okay, next plus 13 z power minus 4 into this value. Okay, so we'll give you 13 z power minus 4, then 13 into 2 minus 2 will give you minus 26 into z power minus 5 plus 13 into z power minus 6. So change the sign. 13, 13 will get cancelled. Here 26 minus 10 will give you 16 z power minus 5. Then minus 13 z power minus 6. Okay, next to this. Z power 16 into z power minus 15 will give this and this you have to multiply. You will get 16 into z power minus 5. 16 into 2 minus 32 into z power minus 6. Then 16 into z power minus 2 plus 16 into z power minus 7. So change the sign. 16 and 16 will get cancelled. You will get 32 minus 13. 19 z power minus 6 minus 16 z power minus 7. Okay, va? So it will be goes up to this. இது மாதிரி இது continue ஆயிட்டே இருக்கும். Okay, va? So நான் வந்து இதோட ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஸ்டாப் பண்ணிட்டு how you have to write your expression நியூமரேட்டர் இது மட்டும் மேல உனக்கு நியூமரேட் வேல்யூ மட்டும் என்ன வந்தது டிவைட் பண்ணி என்ன டிவைடண்ட் கோஷன்ட் என்ன வந்துச்சு அதை மட்டும் கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கோ. This is quotient and this is your remainder. No need to consider about this remainder. You should consider only the quotient value. Okay. So you have to write x of z will be equal to 1 plus 4 into z inverse plus 7 into z power minus 2 plus 10 into z power minus 3 plus 13 into z power minus 4 plus 16 into z power minus 5 and it will be goes like this. Okay, wow. So what is your ultimate aim? Inverse z transform na you should find out your x of n na. So x of n எப்படி find out பண்ணுவோம்? So இங்க வெறும் constant term இருக்கு. Constant termனா பக்கத்துல ஏதோ ஒரு term power 0 ஆயிருக்கு. Z term வந்து 0 ஆயிருக்கு. அப்போ what is the value for this? This is the having the value x of 0 வா. So x of 0 value என்னது 1. So இங்க பவர்ல 1 இருக்கு. அப்ப n equal to 2. அப்ப next இதுதான். So இங்க 2 இருக்கு. அப்ப x of 2 value will be 7. Here n equal to 3. So 10. Here n equal to 4. So write 13. And here n equal to 5. So x of 5 will be 16. Okay. This is your x of n. புரியுதா? X of 0 value வந்து 1. X of 1 value will be 4. And x of 2 value will be 7. X of 3 value will be 10. X of 4 value 13. X of 5 value வந்து 16. Okay. And to mention this is the x of 0, you have to represent one arrow mark here. Okay. Clear, Amma? Long division method.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. So இது வந்து என்னதுன்னா x of n வந்து causal இருந்தா ஓகேவா. If the given signal is a causal signal, you have to find out like this. Okay. If it is non causal, you should take the reverse. ஓகேவா. இங்க எப்படி எடுத்திருக்கோம் 1 minus 2z inverse plus z power minus 2 எடுத்திருக்கோமா. So non causal என்ன பண்ணா higher order should come first, lower order should go last. ஓகேவா. Just அப்படியே மாத்தி எடு. So second one will be x of n is non-causal. Okay, ma. So non-causal na you should take higher order first. Okay. So you should consider higher order first. Higher order first na இங்க எப்படி இருக்கு 1 here higher order will be z power minus 2. So z power minus 2 first எழுதணும். Okay. So write like this. So z power minus 2 you have to write first. Z power minus 2. Next என்ன இருக்கு minus 2 into z power minus 1. So write 2 into z power minus 1. So then here 1. So write 1. Okay, like this. Higher order first வரணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் lower order, அதுக்கப்புறம் constant value. Okay, same thing. இங்கேயும் அதே மாதிரி மாத்தி எழுது. So 1 plus 2 into z inverse இருக்கா. Here higher order will be z power minus 1. So write 2 into z power minus 1 plus 1. Okay, va? Then you should perform the normal division. Okay, va? Okay. So first, இங்க என்ன வேல்யூ இருக்கு z power minus 2 இருக்கு. இங்க z power minus 1. So you should reduce the value to z power minus 1. ஏன்னா first one cancel ஆகுற மாதிரி தானே பண்ணணும். So அப்படி அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணணும்னா so z power minus 2 is here. If you multiply with 1 na here also it will become z power minus 2. But I want to reduce to z power minus 1. So you should multiply. Constant value will be 2. 2 into z. if you multiply 2 into z to this means you will get z power minus 1 now. 2 into z power minus 1 and this into this 2 into minus 2 will give you minus 4. Then z power 1 into z power minus 1 will become z power 0. So it will become 0. Okay. Then plus 2 into z. Okay. So here plus will become minus, minus plus paniko, plus minus. So this and this will get cancelled. 1 plus 4, you will get 5. Okay, here minus 2 into z. Okay, next I want to get only the constant term 5. So 5 மட்டும் தான் I want to get. So you have to add 5 into this one you should become 1. இது வந்து 1 ஆக்கணும். 1 ஆக்கணும்னா here minus 2 is there. So z power 2 பண்ணா it will become z power 0. So you will get 5, then 5 into minus 2, minus 10 into z. Next plus 5 into z power square. So change your sign, plus to minus, minus to plus, plus to minus. 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So then 10 minus 2 will give you 8z and this one will become minus 5z square. Okay, wow. Next, I want to get a value 8z. 8z varnona you have to multiply with z cube. Okay, wow. So constant value 8. 8 into z square inge irukku, but you should get z. So z cube. Okay, wow. Z cube panna you will get 8 into z because z power 3, z power minus 2 will give you z power 1. Okay, wow. So then this into this. So 8 into minus 2 minus 16 into z power z3 minus 1 will give you z power 2. Then 1 into 8. 8 z power cube. Change the sign minus plus minus. So 8 and 8 will get cancelled. You will get 16 minus 5. 16 minus 5 will give you 11 z square minus 8 z power 3. Okay, next 11 z square. So plus 11 into z power 4. So z power 4 into z power minus 2 will give you z square. Okay. So 11 into z square. Then this into this value. 11 into minus 2 will become minus 22 into z power 3. Then 11 into plus 11 into z power 4. Change paniko sign. Plus here minus, here plus, here minus. So 11 and 11 will get cancelled. 22 minus 8. 22 minus 8 another. Will give you 14 now. 6 to 14. Okay. 14 z power 3 minus 11 into z power 4. Then 14 z power 5. Okay. Z power 5 panna 14 z power 3 minus 28 z power 4 plus 14 z power 5. Sign change paniko. After this 14 and 14 will get cancelled. 28 minus 11, 17 z power 4 minus 14 z power 5. Like this it will be goes on. Okay, va? So இங்க இந்த மாதிரி போயிட்டே இருக்கும். Next, from this you should take your x of z will be equal to 2z plus 5z square plus 8z cube plus 11 z power 4 plus 14 z power 5. Okay, wow. So from this, you should identify the value. What is the value for this? So இது என்னது? Here what is the power? Power will be 1. Normally z power minus n தான் வரும். But இங்க plus இருக்கு. அப்போ this will be the value for x of minus 1 will be equal to 2. X of minus 2 will be equal to 5. X of minus 3 will be equal to 8. X of minus 4 will be equal to 11. And x of minus 5 will be equal to 14. Okay, va? So then x of n. So x of n na, so inga negative value will be goes on like this, and here it will be 14 minus 5 அப்புறம் தான் minus 4 வருமா? So 11 11 next 8 5 2 and x of 0 value illa, but you should represent with respect to arrow mark, right? So x of 0 value you have to consider as 0. So write 0 here and mention arrow mark like this. So இப்போ arrow mark இங்க mention பண்ணிட்டா இது x of 0 value, இது x of 1, sorry, x of minus 1, x of minus 2, x of minus 3, x of minus 4, x of minus 5. So like this you have to write your expression. Final x of n you have to write like this. Clear amma this one? Non-causal கேட்டாங்கன்னா you should consider the higher order first. Okay va? Suppose எதுமே கேட்கல questionல, they will directly give you find the inverse Z transform by using long division method na, directly you have to find out any method. Which one is convenient for you, you can find out the answer. Okay va? Clear long division? Long division clear amma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, wait for 2 minutes. We'll see next topic, partial fraction method. Up to this clear, right? Ada doubt irka? So now we will see the partial fraction method. Take down the question. Find the inverse Z transform. X of Z will be equal to 1 divided by 4 Z inverse divided by 1 minus 1 divided by 2 Z inverse into 1 minus 1 divided by 4 Z inverse. Okay, va? For this, you have to find out the partial fraction. So, partial fraction normally எப்படி find out பண்ணுவோம்? You will take A divided by one value, B divided by one value, right? Same thing here also you have to do. But before that, you have to do the all here every term will be in the form of Z inverse. First, you should change all your Z inverse to change the Z inverse to Z. Okay, Z inverse to Z க்கு change பண்ணனும்னா you should multiply the numerator and denominator with higher order. What is the higher order here, ma? Higher order என்னதுங்க?
Z inverse.
Z inverse வராது. இங்க பாரு. இப்போ in denominator here two terms, right? இந்த two term இருக்கா? இந்த two term multiply பண்ணாதானே இந்த expression expand ஆகும். So you have to expand this expression. If you expand this na, this minus 1 into minus 2 இப்படி நீ multiply பண்ணும்போது it will become Z power minus 2. This term and this term if you multiply it will become Z power minus 2, right? So higher order here it will be Z power minus 2. So you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with Z square because I want to convert the equation from inverse to Z. So you have to multiply by Z square. Okay. So numerator denominator Z square ஆல multiply பண்ண போறேன். Okay. So if you multiply you will get, if you multiply Z square here means what is the answer? Z power minus 1 into Z power 2. 2 minus will give you 1. So it will become 1 divided by 4 into Z divided by, so here also you have to multiply by Z square. Okay, if you multiply by Z square you have to, so inge Z square pananuma, so for this term you have to multiply by Z, this with Z. Okay va, Z square இருக்கு, so you will get 2Z. So ஒரு Z இங்க multiply பண்ணு, ஒரு Z இங்க multiply பண்ணு, then you will get Z minus 1 divided by 2. இங்க Z ஆல multiply பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? Z 0 ஆயிடுமா? Z power 0, Z power 0 value will be 1. So Z minus 1 by 2 into இங்க Z ஆல multiply பண்ணு. So you will get Z minus 1 divided by 4. Okay va? You will get two terms now. Okay, take this Z to this side. X of Z divided by Z will be equal to 1 divided by 4 divided by Z minus 1 divided by 2 into Z minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, next normal partial fraction. Okay, so normal partial fraction பண்ணனும்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? X of Z divided by Z, A divided by Z minus 1 divided by 2 plus B divided by Z minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, so you have to find out your expressions. Find out A value and B value and tell me the answer. So to find out A, what you will do now? So if you want to find out A means, you can multiply with, first I am going to multiply with Z equal to, I am going to consider Z equal to 1 divided by 2. Okay va? Z equal to 1 divided by 2 consider பண்ணிக்கிறேன். So இப்போ consider பண்ணிக்கிட்டேனா A will be, so இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணு, Z equal to minus 2 பண்ணிட்டேனா அதோட poles find out பண்ணிக்கோ, Z into, so normally find out பண்ணு. So Z equal to, first substitute Z equal to minus 2. So without doing LCM, you can solve like this also. So first I am going to consider z equal to -2. Okay, va? Z equal to -2 assume பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Let z equal to -2. Then a will be equal to this value. One divided by 4. 1 divided by 4 divided by இந்த equation அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோ 1 divided by z minus 1 by 2 into z minus 1 by 4. So இங்க x value என்னன்னு எடுத்திருக்கோம் x equal to minus 1 by 2 ஆ. So multiply by z minus 1 by 2 and here your z value will be 1 by 2. Okay, this and this will get cancelled. You will get 1 divided by 4 divided by wherever you have z, substitute 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 divided by, so take LCM for this. LCM எடுத்தா என்ன வரும்? You will get 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 will get cancelled. You will get 1. So a value will be equal to 1. A will be equal to 1. Okay. So next same way, z equal to 1 by 4. So z equal to 1 by 4 consider பண்ணிக்கோ. B will be equal to this value. இந்த value consider பண்ணிக்கோ. B will be equal to 1 divided by 4 divided by z minus 1 by 2 into z minus 1 by 4 ஆ. So இங்க z value என்ன assume பண்ணிருக்கோம்? Z will be equal to 1 by 4. So multiply by z minus 1 by 4 and here z value will be equal to 1 by 4. This and this will get cancelled. You will get 1 divided by 4 into, sorry, divided by 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 4 divided by 4. So you will get minus 2. Okay. So 1 divided by 4 divided by minus 1 by 4, you will get minus 1. So B value will be equal to minus 1. Okay. Now you have to substitute A and B value here. Okay. Substitute A and B value here. If you substitute, you will get x of z will be equal to 1 divided by z minus 1 by 2. B value minus 1 divided by z minus 4. So after here x of z divided by z. Take this z to numerator. So x of z will be equal to z divided by z minus 1 by 2 minus z divided by z minus 1 by 4. Okay, va? So and one more thing. Okay. So இதுல எப்படி எழுதுவாங்கன்னா a power n into u of n. For this, if you're taking z transform means what is the answer? First problem ஒன்னு போட்ட பாரு. A power n into u of n. What is the answer? So you will get z divided by z minus a வா. So இங்கே அதே formula தானே இருக்கு. In the place of a here 1 by 2. So you can write the expression as 1 divided by 2 into power n into u of n minus 1 divided, here also same thing, 1 divided by 4 whole power n into u of n. This is your x of n. Okay. Clear ஆ? ஏதாவது doubt இருக்கா? Partial fraction clear ஆ இருக்கா? Any doubt? Okay, first கொடுத்திருக்க expression வந்து z inverse இருந்தா you should convert to the z. Okay வா? Higher term என்ன இருக்கோ அதெல்லாம் multiply பண்ணி here higher term will be z square. Okay வா? So numerator and denominator you have to divide by z square. So divide பண்ணனா you will get the expression like this. Here you have z square. So z square na 2z irukku. So 1z you have to multiply with this, another z you have to multiply with this. You will get the expression like this. Okay, then in numerator also you have 1z. Take this z to opposite side, you will get the expression like this. After that, a divided by one denominator and b divided by another denominator. So to find out the a value, what I'm going to consider na, I'm going to consider the pole value. Okay va, ஏதோ ஒரு pole value consider பண்ணிக்கிறேன். So z equal to -2. So a will be equal to this term 1 divided by 4 in divided by z minus 1 divided by z minus 1 divided by 2 into z minus 1 divided by 4 into என்ன வேல்யூ கன்சிடர் பண்ணிருக்கியோ அதோட போல் எழுதிக்கோ. அப்படியே இந்த வேல்யூ இங்க எழுதிக்கோ. இது கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். After that you have z equal to -1/2. Wherever you have z, substitute the value and find out the a value. Okay, next b value find out பண்ண போறேன். So to find out the b value, next pole value consider பண்ணிக்கோ. Next pole value will be z equal to 1/4. So 1/4 ன்னு போடும்போது வந்து, so pole will be z minus 1/4. So this and this will get cancelled. You will get z equal to 1/4. Okay, wherever you have z, substitute 1/4 and you can find out your b value. After that, substitute the b value. So here you have z. Take this z to opposite side, z divided by z minus 1/2. Okay va. So z minus 1/2 ku after that you have to find out the inverse. Inverse find out பண்ணோம்னா already you know right, a power n into u of n க்கு வந்து z transform எடுத்தா z divided by 1 by z divided by z by a ன்னு வரும். ஓகேவா. சோ அதுக்கு அப்படியே இன்வர்ஸ் எடுத்தா அதே ஆன்சர் தானே. சோ இங்க a இருக்க இடத்துல 1/2 ன்னு இருக்கு. So write the inverse value 1 divided by 2 whole power n into u of n minus 1 divided by 4 into u of n. Okay, this is your inverse z transform by using partial fraction method. Okay, other than this you have two methods, residue method and convolution method, that we will see in tomorrow class. Okay.